In this video, I will demonstrate how to delete Blackboard Collaborate recordings from both an original and Ultra course. To begin, you will first locate the course or organization that contains the recordings. Then, click on the title to open the course or organization. In a Blackboard Ultra course, you will locate Collaborate in the Details and Actions menu. Click on the ellipses, then select View All Recordings. Here, you can filter the recordings either by recent recordings or within a specific date range. Use the calendar icon to the left to select specific dates. Then, select the recording you wish to delete from the list and click on the ellipses to the right. Then select the Delete option. You will need to confirm that you are sure you want to delete the selected recording. Once deleted, these recordings are permanently gone. In an original course, you will locate Collaborate in the left-hand course menu. Once Collaborate opens, you will then click on the menu to the left and then choose Recordings. From here, you will follow the same process by either selecting a recent recording or a recording from a date range, and then click on the ellipses to the right. From here, you will click Delete and then lastly confirm that you want to delete the recording. For additional assistance, please contact us at bbhelp@cfcc.edu.